How to fix WhatsApp music status option missing on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix WhatsApp music status option missing on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you're trying to just put a status on your WhatsApp, but you don't see the music option, the first step that you might want to take is head over to your settings. Now head over to your settings and head over to general. On your general, open up iPhone storage. Now on iPhone storage, search for WhatsApp. So let's search for WhatsApp here. So if you don't find WhatsApp, you can search for it as well. I'll just use this option. There we go. Now tap on the offload app option. After you tap on offload app, upload the app and reinstall it. Doing that will clear up all your cache on your WhatsApp, and you can then go back to your WhatsApp and try to use the feature. If that does not work, open up your App Store. On your App Store, search for WhatsApp. Now WhatsApp might give you an update with some music option if you don't have it yet. So tap on the update button if you find an update option right here. After you do that, you can open up your WhatsApp and then tap on add status. After you do that, select your picture, and right here on the top you'll find the music status music option. Tap on it, and from here you can add any music that you want. And that's basically how you fix the issue, guys. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.